Hi, this is Jim Gibson with CableSupply.com, and today we're going to be looking at Platinum Tools Tele-Titan. And this actually comes from my box. This is a used one, so it comes out of my toolbox, and it's really neat. I mean, look, I don't make patch cords, okay? So it's rare that I actually use something like this, but I've had this for years, and it's really held up. You can see a little bit of rust there. But it's really held up. It strips the cable. It does everything you need to do. It's heavy duty. It's not this cheap plastic junk. This will last you a lifetime. Of course, I always recommend that you buy your patch cords straight out because the moldings, everything in them is just solid. And that's the stuff I sell on my website is the stuff that I use. And I don't sell anything on the website that I cannot stand behind. And when I'm doing my installs, I get 15-year warranties on my installs. So 15-year warranty on my installs. So if I'm going to put that equipment in that wall, I don't want to come back 2 weeks later and have to redo it. It's a one-time shot. I want to get out there with my people. I want to put those jacks, I want to put that cable in the wall, and then I want to move on. I don't want to sit there forever, okay? Now, nor do I want to come back. And I already told you about my jacks in other videos that I've never had to go back on any jack. I've never had to go back. Now, other people have used the jacks. I don't know how they're putting them in or anything else, but I've never had to go back on any of my jacks. And to the best of my knowledge, I've never missed a cut date, which is for those in the industry who understand what a cut date is. That meant that I did my installation either on or before the due date. And I've never had to go back, and I've had 15-year warranties on all my work. So I only give warranty on my work. If you buy the stuff from the website, you get just the normal backup. But I can't warranty your work. I can only warranty physically what my company puts in or what I put in personally. So again, this is a Tele-Titan. It's used for mod plugs. I don't do much mod plugs because I don't much care for them. And if you see, this is a punch down for mod plugs. So if you're making your own patch cords, I don't know why they had telephone there. That's from a telephone handle. So that's what they, I forget what they call it. I mean, I never made a telephone handle curly cord in my entire life. That's an RJ45 and an RJ11. Oh, maybe it's an RJ11. I haven't made RJ11s in a long time. RJ11s is for telephones also, but it goes from the wall to the phone. But I've only used this for RJ45s, and only when I had to, because I don't like making patch cords. So this is my toolbox thing, and it's been around for years. I could kill someone with this. It's so heavy. It's so strongly produced. It's a platinum tool item. The nice thing I like about it is you close it, and you push this little button here, and it stays locked. Fits nice in my toolbox, works really well. You should always have this in your toolbox. Now, if you're an IT guy and you work in a data center or something like that, and every once in a while you got to make your own patch cords, this is what you need, man. If you're into making patch cords, God bless you, because I don't like it. But if you're into making patch cords, this is what you need. So thank you for watching the video. Again, this is Jim Gibson with CableSupply.com. And if this video has been useful to you and you enjoyed it, or you laughed at me, I don't really care, then give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll send you some more entertaining videos. And also, if you like to assist in the production side of these videos, or the cost of the production side of these videos, we provided 2 links for your consideration in the description. And one link is to PayPal. You can donate $1, $5, $10, or donate on a regular monthly basis. Or Subscribe-Star. It will do the same thing if you donate to Subscribe-Star. And it's just nice because it does take time to do these videos. You got a lot of setup, the cameras, everything else that's involved. And, I'm going to do them one way or the other, so it's no big deal. But I'd appreciate it if you can consider helping with the production costs. Again, Jim Gibson, CableSupply.com. I hope you're having a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye.